Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove objects from photos on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the Gallery app on your smartphone. Now from here, just select an image. Now from here, just tap on the stars icon at the bottom of the screen, just like that, and select Object Eraser. Now from here, just draw a circle around the object which you want to erase, just like that. Now once you have done that, just tap on Erase. Now once you are satisfied with the result, just tap on Save and select Save Copy. Now from here, if you select Keep Current Resolution, it will save the image with the same resolution. And if you select Increase Resolution, it will increase the resolution of the image while saving the image. I will select Increase Resolution. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, this is how you can remove objects from photos on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.